Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to close your Lyft account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lyft application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your phone number and your verification code to log in. Once you have been logged in, you will end up within the homepage from which you can start booking your ride. Now, if you wish to delete your account or close it, then tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Help. Now, within the Help menu, tap on Profile and Account, and then tap on Edit Profile or Account. Now, within this page, you will find the Delete My Account option. Go ahead and tap on this, and then tap on How to delete your Lyft account. You will now find the Delete My Account button, which you can click on, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. Just proceed with providing your credentials, and then confirming your account deletion, and you will be logged out from your account, and the deletion process will begin. Once this process begins, you will need to wait for 2 weeks and your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can close your account on Lyft. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.